Hi, I'm Howard from Cyber Times LLC, YouTube Creators Forum. Today I'm going to talk about two resources for open source videos and photos. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Two resources for open source videos and photos. The first one is Unsplash.com, and we're going to go to the website. And the second one is, you probably won't even realize this, NASA.gov. There's videos and photos that most of them are open source and free to use. So let's get started. By the way, I'm using Open Broadcaster Studio to record this video, and we are brought to you by TubeBuddy. And TubeBuddy is a utility that's free, and there's a paid version that allows you to make really great professionally looking thumbnails. And as you can see, we're at unsplash.com. I'm going to do a search. By the way, these are all free high resolution photos. There's thousands of them on any topic, and you can search. These are by really great photographers that were generous enough to contribute these photos, and you can give them credit in your videos. I'll do a search on space, do enter, and as you can see, can you see? There's a ton of photos on that topic. It's possible some of them are from NASA, obviously, and they're contributed by whoever. I used one of these photos as a background for my book. I have a science fiction book on Amazon called Caught in Time, and it's free, by the way. And I used a few of these photos to do the cover. And let's go ahead and download one of these photos, and I'll see how easy it is. By the way, you can join and have a login and a password, ID and password, or you don't have to. You can just download any of these photos. Let's take this, looks like a nebula. Let's click on it, and there is a download free button over there, and it downloaded. It's from Alexander-Andrews. So let's go to it, and there it is. It's in my photos, and then I can do whatever I want with it. There, I can load it into Photoshop. I've got it into Photoshop, and I can do whatever I want with it. Copy, crop it, take parts out of it, whatever. And this is open source. It's free, and it's really great idea for creators, because you don't have to give credit, but you can if you want. But this is a really good resource. And let's talk about NASA.gov, which is most people don't realize that most of these photos and videos are open source. Some of them with pictures of people may be limited. The requirements are usually listed on the photo, and you may want to check with NASA before you use them. I have used an animated video in one of my parodies. So let's take a look at one of these videos. There's the galleries, image of the day, and videos. Let me show you the image galleries. There's a pic of the day. It's amazing. So you could search the images too. So when it comes with images of people, sometimes you may have to give credit or ask permission. It depends on what you're using it for. NASA is a little bit limited. Let's take a look at some of these videos. This is a recent video, space. Let's check it out.
We have a liftoff of the H-2B launch vehicle number 7 with crew 7 aboard from the JAXA Tanegashima Space Center.
That is amazing.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Isidro Reyna.
So those are two great resources that you can use. Unsplash.com and NASA.gov, and the image galleries. that you can use in your videos to create your good stuff. You don't have to pay anybody for stock photos, although you can go to the stock photo companies in New York and look through their photos and purchase the rights. Anyhow, I'm Howard from Cyber Times LLC and YouTube Creators Forum. If you like this forum, please subscribe. The subscribe button is right in the corner over there. And if you have a YouTube channel that you want me to evaluate and you're a subscriber, I'd be glad to evaluate your channel for you. If you have comments, please leave them. If you have questions, leave the questions. Tell me about yourself, and I'll be back again. Please subscribe. Thank you.